Try not to run it up on the oyster bed.
Yeah, I mean, that's over there and over there.
Well, that's cause you got a 200-pound lard butt in the back, or no, 260 or 80 or whatever he weighs. Well, it floats, but it does leak around the transom. It didn't look like it was leaking up in the bow area, but it definitely was seeping in around the transom, which I figured that's probably where it was going to leak. It ain't leaking in the bow at all, is it?
Nope.
Because all the water's back towards you now, right?
Yeah.
Is that trolling motor wide open?
Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
Like I said, it'd be good for the kayak.
Huh?
That's why I want to put it on the kayak.
Yeah. Well, it'll probably push the kayak a little quicker. If the battery runs dead, you got to paddle back, you know.
I hope the battery wouldn't die that quick.
All right. You can turn it around. We've seen enough. Well, that's a zero-turn trolling motor. Now you got to work against the wind.
Yep. And the current.
It looks good, though.
Back up a bit.
Huh?
Back up a bit.
No, I'd leave it right where it is, and we can grab the bow and just pull it up on there. It's real light in the front. We should be able to just pick it up and just... Go ahead and put it on the trailer. Better slow down. Throw in the rope. Pulled up to you. Jeez. Yeah, you don't need all that slack. Just pull it up. It'll pull right on up on the boat. It's real light. Hey, now hold on to the rope tight. He's going to swing the back end around with the motor. There you go. Swing the back end, put it in reverse and back it on around that way. All right. Huh? Well, you know, I got to double check you. All right. Just center it up. Just pull it. Just center it up on the Ryan.
All right, I'm gonna do some power load.
Ease it up. Ease it up. No, I wouldn't worry about that. Hey, take that paddle, and you can hook it right there on the wheel right there on the side. There you go. Now pick up on the bow and just ease it on up. Yeah, we'll get the trailer set up right.
All right, I'm gonna do some power load.
No, don't do that.
Power load?
No. I don't think you're gonna power load with that little Minn Kota, I don't think. Hey, you ain't quite centered up on the thing.
Which way does it need to go?
So take that, yeah, take your paddle and put it on the other side and push it this way.
I had to say it needs to go that way.
That's correct. It's pretty close right where it is now. Go ahead and start winching it up, Ryan.
That's too far. Too far?
Just ease it up a little bit.
like it bounces and then it just takes off.
What? You hold on. Can you get a hook?
I had it.
There you go.
Had it twisted.
Be better if we kind of pick that. Go towards the back. Go towards the back, and then we'll pick up on the front.
Yeah, I'm about to go out the back.
Can you get it? There you go. Now you're getting it. Now, hang on, hold up. Looks like you need to go back around that way just a little bit. Anyway, we'll finish loading this up. All back on.